I want $1 million, and it will be like ping in your bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are done with our 8th lesson online manifestation 101 course, where I've been teaching you how to manifest step by step. We've created 10 wishes in the right way, in the right manner. We worked on our fears, on our beliefs, so that we made sure that the dreams and wishes that we are manifesting will actually come true. And we've also been working on detaching from our wishes and visualizing them in the right manner. So in this course, I've ensured everything and worked on everything so that there is no reason why your wishes won't come true, because I literally made it a cool course. I'm really happy about that, and I'm really happy that you are graduated from this course. Please let me know how it feels for you. I'm happy to hear it here in the comments, or text me in Instagram, post something in your stories and tag me. I'll be happy to share and to listen to all of your stories. As promised, I'm doing this bonus lesson number 8. This is not necessary, but I really love this technique, and I wanted to share how you can manifest on a daily basis. And if you haven't watched the course, please do so. It's the greatest, the best technique that can be used in order to manifest everything that you want in your life. So now let's get to manifesting on everyday basis. And this is very good for beginners like you and me, who are only starting their manifestation journeys, to start from small things, manifesting like on a daily basis, and then it will be easy for you to manifest something grand and something huge. So the essence of this method is called setting intention. And I heard about this technique from the Abraham Hicks books. And setting intention is just saying to yourself out loud what outcome you want after like this and that. So for example, before I answer calls, I'm telling out loud that this call would be super efficient and I'll have fun doing it, and we'll exchange good energy with a friend or whoever is talking. Or if I have a meeting with someone, I'm like, this meeting will go at its best for me. I'll have fun, we will have fun, and we will be able to come to a solution, and I'll get the offer, or it will work out the best for me. So you need to say it out loud, and you need to be specific on what you want to get after this like short period of your call, or of your meeting, or of anything. Will be like, maybe you're doing an exam, and before starting it you need to say like, I'm going to do my best at this exam, I'm going to be confident, I'm going to spit out everything I've learned, and I'm going to get an A. So this way you set an intention before you actually get to something, and it gives your brain like a command that you need to, that your brain or your body or need to manifest this reality that you said you would. I remember 2 things happening to me when I set an intention. The first one was summer 2018, I believe. I went to Moscow for summer school at the Higher School of Economics, and I hate flights. I hate going through the customs because it takes so much time. I hate sitting in the airport. I hate sitting in the airplane with all these people. I hate carrying my carry-on, and at that time I had only carry-on, and it was super heavy. And I was like, okay, I'm setting an intention that this will be the best flight ever. I will enjoy my experience of flying. And guess what? It was the best flight ever, because right after I came into the airplane, there was this guy who's like, hey, let me help with your carry-on. I didn't have to even ask for that. He came to help me, and he put it on the shelves. I don't know how it's called, the shelves for like carry-ons. And there was like 3 empty spaces near me, so I was laying down in comfort, and I had a really good time. And there were like 8 Harry Potter movies on the tablet that I had on the screen, and it was super great. This was the best flight, and you know, I even didn't stop at customs. It was so fast, there was no queue, there was no crowd, and this was the fastest ever when I went through the customs. And it showed me that you need to set an intention and to know that it will go your way. And the second example, I remember my mom gifted me the earrings for my birthday, and I didn't really like them. And I went to the store to get the money back. I had a receipt, but there is like a law where the certain items can't be returned even if you have the receipt. Like underwear can't be returned. The jewelry is also on the list. And before going, I'm going to buy a taxi, and in the taxi I remember saying myself that, okay, this will be the easiest return for me ever. And it was, because at first they're like, okay, let me ask my boss. And she asked her boss, the salesperson asked her boss, and the boss said like, okay, by the law we are not obliged to return the money, but your mom is our loyal customer and we will get your money this time. And for the small things that you are experiencing on the daily routine, this can be good. Of course, sometimes my intentions don't work out. For example, like recently I had an intention to get a contract and I didn't get it, but it doesn't mean that you need to be upset about that and say that it's not working, because it always works. And even like before I set the gear for my videos, and before I press the button on my phone starting recording all of that, I'm setting an intention to reach all the people who are just starting to manifest, to help them find the answers in my video, to help them have fun while they're watching my video. So I'm not just shooting randomly and just sitting and like telling you all of that. I'm setting an intention to reach many people who wants to learn manifesting and helping them. It always works with the intention, and the more you practice it, the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. And it works for try first working on like small wishes, manifesting small things like a cup of coffee or like some food or a book or something small, or like calling a friend. I remember this episode from Friends when Ross says like, I want to get married, I want a wife or something like that, and then Rachel appears in the wedding dress, and then Chandler is saying like, I want $1 million. But it's not working this way. You can't manifest like $1 million with setting an intention if you haven't manifested before. But after some practice, maybe in a few years, you'll be just able to say like, I want $1 million, and it will be like ping in your bank account. So I hope this bonus video was helpful for you, and now you'll be able to manifest on a daily basis, and having an intention behind every action, behind everything you do. And even like things, going for a walk, I set an intention like, I want to get healthier, I want to have fun, and I want to feel relaxed during my walking. Like, because sometimes I feel like I have to force myself when I'm going for a walk, and I'm like, oh my god, when this 10,000 steps will finally be counted, I'm tired. And in order to prevent that, I'm setting an intention even before walking. So let me know how it will work for you. Try to set an intention. I even have like a sticker and a reminder to help me to remind on the daily basis that if there is something wrong, I just need to set an intention and then it will go right. So if this video was helpful, I would be happy if you could subscribe to my channel, if you would recommend to your friends, if you could like this video, you know what to do, like all this stuff you need to do. And see you during my next videos, and thank you for watching this video. I'm really having fun, and I'm super excited to shoot and share all of my knowledge about manifestation with you guys.